Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So these don't come along often. This is my best-selling layout, an 8312 A-RKS Stampede. That is a 12-foot short wall, 8 wide, super great layout. So that's a 27-foot box, so it's a great size. This is a 2023. The only reason it's here is the person needed a 4-horse, just like the last one I had several months back the first of the year. So absolutely nothing wrong with it. They just needed a 4-horse. So charcoal and color with graphics. Again, 2023 used Merhow Stampede. Got a stainless nose. It's got double jacks, dual hydraulic jacks with switches for each leg. 2 propane tanks, lockable battery box, jiffy jack underneath that spare. There's really no dings on this side so far. I will point out a few things as I get further down the trailer. This has a 9-foot slide, so it's got the fridge in the slide box, which gives you a lot of floor space. This trailer by far is my favorite, has the best floor space in a 12-foot short wall. So escape door, 3 drop down windows with bars, 2 manger doors, aluminum wheels, flip up step at the escape door. That ribbed aluminum underneath the windows. Load light package, so load lights all the way around with switches. It's got the 50/50 doors. Brush box, saddle or blanket bar, 3-tier saddle rack that does come out, so that is a collapsible rear tack. Rear rubber bumpers, load light on the rear. So stepping up in the horse box. Horse box is in great shape, so those are stains on the mats. There is no issues whatsoever with those mats. Floor was good. We pulled mats, all is well. Airflow dividers, padded divider, lower divider. Does have the 2 mangers, of course. Fully lined and insulated with roof vents. Big sliders on the rear. LED lights on the inside. Again, horse box looks great. I'm going to point out one thing. So there is some nice tape here on this padding. So we had a little boo-boo in that first stall. Empty weight. 10,102. 10,102 is the empty weight walk-through door. Padded wall there. Horse box in great shape. Couple of cosmetic things on this back door. So I'm going to shut this door so you can see. So a sticker could completely fix this if you've got a sticker you want to put on it, or just don't worry about it. It's not that bad. It actually looks like bird poop. Yep, I said it. But you'll see the scratches on the back door. It's got this one, and one there. I'm going to back up, and then it has one up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 scratches on the back door. And kind of a scuff mark right there. Let me back up and kind of show you, but that's really all I can complain about this trailer is that back door. Other than that, everything else is in great shape. Again, sliders on the rear. 8312 A-RKS Stampede, best layout I sell. So if you don't want to pay a brand new price, which I have one here brand new, this one's going to be a used price, so keep that in mind. Power awning, outdoor speakers. This does have the upgraded 10-gallon hot water heater, upgraded 15,000 BTU AC. Flip up step into the horse box, not the horse box, into the LQ. So stepping in the LQ, like I said, it's got the fridge on the slide box. That gives you a ton of space. Cabinets above that couch. Couch does make a bed. There is storage space completely underneath that. The whole deck you have. So a little bit more space in the drawers. Got cabinets here. This has the flip down drink ottoman. Oh, it's ottoman. Gosh, guys. I'm having a hard time today. Storage underneath that TV. That TV is on a swing arm. 2 steps to the bed, and they're kind of to the middle, so they're not so far to the right, like some of our RWS, which is a riser wall sofa layout. Super neat having these closets here. Definitely extra closet space. I like that. Right inside the door. Camper door. It's got a rear kitchen, convection microwave, 2 double stainless sinks, storage there below. And that's actually a big storage there. You can kind of put a couple of things, and then that's got your hot water heater. You've got 2 drawers, all the books, the remote, storage above the microwave, above your sink. Spinning back around because we didn't stay over there to the bed area. So there is a plug in the corner here. If you wanted to put a TV, it is TV ready. You've actually got storage behind those 2 pillows. There is a small hanging bar. Great place for extra blankets, things like that. Big and open bed area. You could put a bigger mattress up here if you chose. It's got plenty of room to do that. People ask all the time, these mattresses are kind of considered a camper mattress, so they're a queen, between a queen and a full. They're not a true queen and they're not a true full, so it's kind of somewhere in between. Big fridge, I think I said that. Drawer underneath for storage as well. Pocket door to the bathroom. This has a ducted AC, propane furnace. Bathroom is great. So 12-foot layout with a walk-in closet. That's normally in your 16-foot or better. So this is a 12-foot with a walk-in closet. That's why this is probably my favorite layout for customers, to have everything they need in a 27-foot box. So walk-in closet has a shelf, 2 hanging bars. It has the dome shower. Skylight. Has a fantastic fan above my head. We'll step in the closet and turn around. Fantastic fan, sink and vanity, towel bar, toilet, again, pocket, door to the bathroom, walk-through door. It does have soft touch walls, crown molding. All the Merhows have that, which makes it look really good in the interior. So again, if you want a nicely, lightly used 2023 8312 A-RKS, the last time I had this same exact trailer in January of this year, it did not last very long. So again, great trailer, great layout, big slide, a lot of floor space, Got big dogs, you need room, dog bed, whatever. You got a crib, got a baby, you got plenty of room for a crib in this trailer. Pack and play, whatever. So just a great all-around trailer, great layout. Can't say enough good things about this particular trailer. Again, only reason it's here is they needed a 4-horse or it would not be here. So absolutely nothing wrong. Charcoal in color. 8312 Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.